another exciting episode of Stand Cam. I'm down on the north side of the gym taking out footers. Boy, they're big. So we're going to try to run the excavator and pull footings. So let's give it a try. You can see how big that footer is. Try to get on this side. Try to run the excavator and get underneath there. This thing's really big. Whoa, man. Woo! Now Bud is gonna... What that way, Bud?
25 and 30,000.
You think that what it weighs? Well, we got it up on... Huh?
30,000 would be about 6 yards of concrete.
6 yards?
6 yards.
Is that a load?
30,000.
It's a big one. Let's see if we can't do something else without getting hurt. I'm going to back up a little bit because this thing is huge. Okay, here we go. Bud's over there giving me directions. You can see a hole. You can see the hole that it made. So, I want to get this footer out of the hole, then we'll have another look. We'll be right back.